Hiya, Andrew Huffer here. Really looking forward to working with you at the MLA Building Your Facilitation Skills workshop coming up in Albany in March. The key thing with a workshop is to really basically build your confidence, to strengthen the skills you've got and to fine-tune the work you've been doing with farmers over the years to make sure you can design and run really engaging workshops. We're going to focus on three core elements. That is facilitation principles, the people element, and also looking at processes. So what that means in some detail, I guess, is thinking about the principles in terms of what's the role of the facilitator, how do you balance that with all the other things going on with the group, and how do you balance that in your advisory role. From a people perspective, we're going to be thinking about how do we bring in the quiet people into a group, into a discussion. How do we make sure that the more dominant or confident people know when to take a deep breath and step back, and how do we help them do that? We're also going to look at, importantly, the processes kind of thing. So giving you some frameworks, giving you some really practical tools that you can take away and most importantly apply when you're working with your groups. It's going to be a cracking workshop. We're going to have a great bunch of people. You're going to be able to tap into their experience as well as mine. I've done a heap of work in the ag space and ran about 1,400 workshops as a facilitator over the last 25 years. Looking forward to seeing you in Albany. Can't wait for it. Be in touch soon.